It's a mistake here. So in this video we are going to check out this is the program over here and Arduino board ultrasonic sensor. So we just done some programming. Now as you can see, it's working right now. This program is just to measuring the distance, and it will looking to the light, we can say how much distance, how closer the object is. I just show you like now the light is continuous on, so it is now the distance is 75. So when we came closer, when we put something closer, the LED will start to blink faster, quicker and quicker. As you can see, blinking too much quickly. As you can see, it's blinking faster. And here we go 6 5. Now the object is near, it blinking faster, and when it go move far, then the LED will start to blink slowly. As you can see, now it's blinking slowly, and the distance is 17. And when we go far more, it will slow down the blink, and when we go above 13, it will continuously the light will glow. And as you can see, now the distance reading 75, and the light is continuously started glowing. This program is very simple. I will show you it almost four blinking mode I set it, and I will show the program. So you can see, this is the program. I put the program below in the description, so you can check out. It's a simple program. And pin mode 2, pin mode 3, it's a trigger and echo pin, and there is only one output, icon to LED, and through a resistor. And this is the program over here. Distance, as you can see, when the distance is below 10, the output to 4 will get 105 delay high and 105 delay low, and going down. Now if the distance is about 10 to 15, then the 4 will glow high for 300. And this is how we set the LED delay. And here is another mode, like 20 to 15, like 600, and other mode is 2024 1000 delay, and when the 25 to 13 1500 delay. And if the distance go above 13, then the output will always high, like it will start glowing. And that's the code. It's very simple. I put the code in the description, so you can check out. And if you have Arduino, and you can just try out this thing. This is useful project for if something in your parking garage, if your vehicle approaching near, like it will say the distance is too close, like looking to the LED, you will find out the distance is too close, and if you place your buzzer, it will start beeping, like how the LED will start glowing. And it is useful in parking garage and some kind of thing, like if you want to sense the distance. And we use here ultrasonic sensor, so we can even the transparent cover will work. I will show you. And here is a glass, as you can see, even the glass is started working. even the transparent thing will work, because it's a ultrasonic sensor. And we use here to distance, measure the distance, and Arduino Uno board to program it, and LED is used to uh, sense for to read the output. If you place here a buzzer, then you will hear the beep. And this is the thing, you can see. You can now check out the both the. Now I hope you got this project, simple project. You can try out in schools or even colleges, and this is very simple, very little simple project. And if this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and also uh, share the video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I put the link, all the things link below my below the description. You can check out for this product and for the more details. Thank you.